Hi traders, it's E from marketwizards.com. About quarter of 12 on Sunday, the 29th of May, 2022. Reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose. I do love the widget. It's a tool that I've developed and so versatile. Can use it intraday. We can use it for 15-minute swings. We can use it for weeklies, yearlies, whatever. And we can set time settings and obviously targets and whatever using this fabulous tool. Looking at weekly chart, we've talked about this before. We had this great up move. We've had this contra move to that since the beginning of the year. Have found bottom, at least temporarily. Don't know if more or less, but temporarily at least. Paulie and I had talked on the day that we got the low. He was in the 90 area. I said, let's use 84 as our support. And since then, we've never broken that low. And now, obviously, from hindsight, you look like a genius, but nobody knows. And certainly nobody's going to, in my opinion, carry that all the way up here without giving some back or re-entering, which is more typical in trading, re-enter trades. And sometimes you'll be buying higher to sell higher. That's just part of the game. So this looked very important. And obviously, we're going to keep our eye on last year's low. Above that, it's an undercut low, and we can keep on going. And those are the most powerful reversals because everybody keeps expecting that next leg down and it doesn't come. And if you come out the top, look out, that's a slingshot trade that will fly. We'll keep our eye on that one. And this was our primary target back here, that 50 back. So we undercut that, and then they piled back in to buy it. And so this is still a very important area to keep your eye on too on any pullbacks. Here's a look with some moving averages on it. Now, I don't believe you can just trade with moving averages, but they're very helpful, as well as levels. When you put the two together, very powerful. So you can see that we're approaching level 2, top of this. You've got it to earn the right to get into the next box. You got to break through it and stay there. And I've got this line to show me that that would be a retest of a third time through type trade right there. So next up, we broke the green, broke the red. So now we're looking at the blue line. And then obviously the magenta line. You've got to get above both of these and stay there if you want to keep on rocking and rolling. And my guess is we're going to get some rotations. Just typical of how the market moves, to confuse as many people as possible. So watching again the idea of last year's low and how this will play out over time. But clearly we can see that we're coming into the next resistance box. And obviously these highs up here are going to be very important. I'm going to do another video on smaller time frames, but I thought we'd start with this one and then try to drill it down a little bit. Have yourself a great day. I hope that some of these short videos are helpful for you.